Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this Revlon hairdryer. This is fairly basic, nothing too fancy about it. We got a box and it comes with a, what is this? A smooth concentrator. So a little air thing to screw in there and make the wind change, whatever. Okay, so this features a little cord here, probably 6 feet long, but let's check it out just to make sure. And the cord also features this nice little breaker here. I think these are necessary for hair dryers in case they drop in the water. So about 6 foot on the cord there. Let's plug it in. All right, so we have off, we have low, we have medium, and we have high. And then if you don't want heat, we have this cool button here. And that's just going to allow you to do cool air. What's nice about that is this has a removable little air filter or hair filter on the back here, so that's really cool. That's a nice little feature for an inexpensive hair dryer such as this. Like how it just comes off of there and then it just looks like it just kind of snaps back there in place. So that's a cool feature. Definitely increase the longevity of your hair dryer if you keep a proper maintenance on that. So yeah, also has this little cord hole here so you can hang your hairdryer if you want. Now this one doesn't feature something that's very common even on the least expensive hairdryers, and that is normally they have like a little non-stick pad, like a silicone pad or something here on the side, so if you lay it down on the counter it doesn't blow all over the place or the cord pulls it off. I noticed that that doesn't have that on there. That's just interesting, but other than that everything's pretty nice on here. So my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day and I'll see y'all next time.